Welcome back. So in this video, you're going to learn about the product launch formula funnel. Now you see this one looks a little bit different and it's also a little bit more unique, which is why it looks a little different. So I was running out of space, but right here you can see this is the opt-in page. It acts just like a lead magnet, so that they have to opt in order to get in order to get a series of videos that they can have access to. So this in and of itself can be a lead magnet. And we spoke about that earlier in the lead magnet funnel part. But this in and of itself is a funnel because after they opt into a video series that drips out. And by drip out, I mean they opt in, they get this video, but they have to wait for an email to come in for them to get this upcoming video. And then they have to wait the next day to get this video, and then the next day to get this video. And then on this last video, not only do they get this last bit of value, but they are also pitched the actual product that you want to sell. And my battery's about to die, so let's stop it right there for a second. All right, sorry about that. So I believe where I left off is that on this last video, they are immediately offered the order form, and they are offered to purchase a product that relates to this video series. In terms of the exact strategy that you want to use for this, we'll get into that later on. But I just want you to see the way this is structured. And then in the next video, I'll go further in depth of exactly what should be contained in these videos, how to best utilize the product launch formula, as well as other things that are going on. But the reason why this is so powerful is because the amount of consistency that you need out of a person in order to open these videos 3-4 days in a row. Not only do they have to give you their email address, but they're watching a video of you. They have to get another email. They have to watch another video of you. They're becoming more and more committed to you as a person and to the information that you are providing them. And in the end, when you're actually asking them to purchase something, the likelihood of them doing that is significantly higher because they've gotten used to you. They have already bought into what it is that you're saying, and they've gotten so much value up front. So that's reciprocity galore with this sort of funnel, with this sort of pitch. So this is the product launch formula funnel. And in the next video, I'll explain what should be contained in these videos.